All right. I can't find it. I'm going to put this kid's coloring book underneath here just so I don't ruin the rest of my table. And we'll just improvise, because I don't care if that gets cut through, but that way I don't hurt anything else. So, I'm sorry. Is your room so full of stuff that you can't find anything either? I seriously need to do something about that, but what would I give up? I can't give it all up, right? I know I need to get myself in a better place, though. I need to figure out what I like so I can get rid of the rest. All right. Nope. I think it went through. Okay, that went through. Nice. All right, now I just have to make sure I do a straight line this other way, which is going to be kind of tricky because this material is so wide. But I'm going to just let you see me stumble through it. Sorry. I'm kind of excited how this is going to turn out, though, because it's looking really cute. So once I could have cut this in smaller pieces, but I don't want to, you know, take it away. Whoops, sorry, I bumped the camera. All right, now I'm gonna have to stop and like move this coloring book once or twice to make sure. Sorry guys, I don't do it crooked. So here we go. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna flip it this way so I have a better chance of keeping it straight. Oh, you guys are probably laughing. I know there must be an easier way. I should be lining this up down there, but we'll just give it a shot. I've got so much of this, it's in the way. I think I have enough to have a learning curve. What do you think? All right. I'm gonna give it a go. Don't push hard on this side. It's actually pretty easy to cut through. It's not that hard, but I just went off. It's so easy that I think I got it a little crooked. Okay, yeah, I kind of did, but that's okay. I'm just gonna cut there one more time, and then I'll flip it around and finish. There we go. This is why you buy them, because if you want perfect, I got lots of links for where you can go buy them, but this is just, you know, art journalers. We think we want to try it ourselves. And, whoa. Yes, the camera just fell. My gosh. We like to try things ourselves. So, sorry guys. That was crazy. Woo. Are we still going? So, anyway, I just have this little bit left to cut. So, here we go. This is hilarious. Okay. Okay. Just want to make sure I get this color book under here. And I'm just lining up the edge so it's straight and the material is not tugging too badly. Give me a little bit more room. There. Can you see? All right. So close, guys. So that we might decide we'll never try this again, but we're trying it now. I think it's going to be fun. All right. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's see here. Looking for my little flow ones. They're right here. And what I want to do is have enough room that I can make it fat, but clearly that was way too, I measured wrong or something, because look how much that gave me. So let's see what I did. Let's see what I should have done. Okay. All right, let me look at my measurements. So for the flow book, I said they were 4 1/4 times 2. Oh, see, this is where I did it wrong. Was my math, ladies. Oh my goodness. 4 1/4 times 2. What am I doing? That'd be 25. Well, it would be 30. But 4 would be 8 times 2 plus 3. So 8. We'll just do 8.25 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11.25. Not 13. So 11.25 instead of 13. So this is 13. So I'm going to just cut it down to 11. So which part do I want to lose? Which part is less desirable? I think that as far as being straight is how we're going to decide this. And this, I kind of went at an angle. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I was started off bigger and it didn't go quite as planned. So this right here is 6, oh, almost 6.5, and this is more. This is almost 6.75. I was going for, where's my paper? 6.25. So we're going to cut off the bigger end and sort of true this up and get it straighter. And I think this is the edge that went wrong. So we're going to get this straighter first of all by putting this right here where I can now really get to it. All right, so I've got it lined up here and you can see it starts to get wider. So I'm just gonna go like this. Oh, ladies, guess what I forgot? The color book. Start over. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. Okay. All right, that's better. Now I just need to cut off a little bit. So I want it to be 11.5. So this would be 11. That would be 12 right there. So 11.5 would be right here. Okay, let's try this again. It still seems a little wide because I think I was planning on it to be pretty fat. So I am going to cut another. What do I want to cut off? Let's see here. I want it to be more. This is what I want. I want it to be about right here. So, let's try it again. It's actually really soft and quite easy to cut. So here's this. Let's see if I didn't get it too short. I almost got it too short. Wow, this is tricky, but it's going to be okay. That's about right.